Good morning. We completed second unit. Now, third unit, types of instructions. The topics on third unit are arithmetic and logic instructions, branch instructions, input or output operations, addressing modes. Okay, these are the topics which are in third unit. One more time: arithmetic and logic instructions, branch instructions, input output operations, and addressing modes. Okay, first one, arithmetic and logic instructions. Arithmetic and logic instructions. First one, arithmetic instructions. Logic instructions. Arithmetic instructions are add, subtract, multiplication, and MLA. Right? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and multiplication. Arithmetic. Right? See, first one, the addition. For addition, we have to use an opcode ADD, SUB, MUL, and MLA. First, ADD. The basic assembly language expression for arithmetic instruction is, it simply say the syntax. The syntax for addition, opcode. It's nothing but operational code. RD, that is destination, and N, Rn, and Rm. I mean, we have three operands, one destination operand and two source operands. Rn and Rm are the source operands, Rd are destination operand. Where the operation specified by the opcode is performed using operands in general purpose registers Rn and Rm, the result is placed in the register Rd. Okay, opcode Rd, Rn, Rm. Rn and Rm are general purpose registers which contains some data, and opcode means whatever the code which we use, based upon the opcode, the operation is performed between the registers Rn and Rm, and the result is stored in the register Rd. Example: add R0, R2, R4. The meaning of this instruction is, we have to add the content of register R4 and the content of register R2, and the result is stored in the register R0. One more time: add R0, R2, R4. The meaning of this instruction is, you see in brackets we have seen R0 goes to R2 plus R4, which means you have to add the content of the register R4 and register R2 and store the result in R0. Right? Instead of being contained in the register Rm, the second operand can be given in the immediate mode. Okay, here we can also use, instead of using two registers, mean one register is operand and one is register. We can also add the combination of immediate mode operand with the register also. See here the second example. See, in the first example, add R0, R2, R4, all are registers. Okay, you can add the contents of register R2 and R4 and stores the result in R0. Like that, instead of using both the registers of source operands, we can also use one register as well as one immediate operand mode. See example here: add R0, R3, hash 17. See, hash always represent the operand is immediate operand. See, which means you have to add 17. This is a value. The value 17 is added to the content which is stored in the register R3 and stores the result in R0. One more time. Here, instead of adding the contents which is available in some other register, you have to add the content directly to the content which is stored in the register R3. So 17 is added to the value which is stored in the register R3, and the result is entire result is stored in R0. Okay. The second operand can be shifted or rotated before being used in the operation. So we can also shift or rotate the operand which is used in to add the register. Okay, this is second way. And see, when a shift or rotation is required, the instruction is given as, suppose here you have to add the content direct, one content is added to the content which is stored in the register R3. Here third one is you can also add the content shift or rotate. See, when a shift or rotation is required, the instruction is given as, see, instruction is given as add R0, R1, R5, right? LSL chundu left right shift left shift left right chundu hash 4 means four positions. Here the second operand which is contained in the register R5 is shifted left 4-bit positions, which means hash 4 means we need to shift 4-bit positions to left, and it is then added to the contents of register R1 and again store the result in R0. The sum is placed in the register R0. See, the addition operation is performed in three different ways. One is you have to add the content which is stored in the register to register. You have to add the content stored in one register and stored with another register, and sum is added in some other register. Second way, the content which is placed in one register is added with one content and stores the result in other register. And third way is you can also shift or rotate the bits and added the content to some other register also. So here we have three registers R0, R1, R5, and we have to shift left the content which is placed in the register R5 by 4-bit positions. 4-bit positions are left shifted the content which is placed in the register R5 and added the result with R1 and added the result after completion of left shift by 4 positions with R5 register and add the result with R1 and the entire result is stored in R0. Okay, hope you understand my explanation. Okay, this is about add. Then comes to subtraction. See, subtraction means SUB. The opcode which is used for subtraction is SUB R0, R6, R5. That means the content of R6 is subtracted with R5 and stores the result in R0. Okay, subtraction. R6 is R5 is subtracted in R6 and stores the result in R0. Okay, next multiplication. MUL. Two versions of multiplication instruction are provided. The first version multiplies the content of two registers and place lower order 32-bit of the product in a third register. The higher order bits of the product is there are array are discarded. Okay, see here we have two ways of or two versions of multiplication. The first one is we have to multiply the content of one register with another register and place the lower order bits, means from left to right, 32 bits of the product in a third register. Okay, the lower order 32 bits are placed at third register, that is nothing but destination register, and the higher order bits of the product are the remaining bits are stored in the array or sometimes discarded. See here one example, MUL multiplication R0, R1, R2. Here the meaning of this instruction is we have to product or multiply the contents of register R1 with register R2 content and stores the result in R0. Means a register R1 contains some content and register R2 contains some content, and both the contents are multiplied and stores the result in R0. Here the second version specifies a fourth register whose contents are added to the product before storing the result in the destination register. See, the second version of the multiplication is second version of the multiplication is whose contents are added to the product before storing the result in the destination register. See here, if you observe here, MUL R0, R1, R2, R3. R0, R1, R2, R3. See here, the destination register is R0 and R1 into R2 plus R3. Multiplication arithmetic, MLA multiplication arithmetic or multiply accumulate operation, MLA. See here, we have to add the contents of first multiply the contents of R1 with R2 and the result is added with R3. So whenever we have a multiplication symbol and addition symbol, you are always giving higher priority for multiplications. Means those are the operations which have a higher priority. So we have to multiply first R1 with R2 and store and add the multiplication result with R3 and stores the result in R0. This is called a multiply accumulator operation. Multiply MLA accumulate arithmetic accumulate operation. It uses in numerical algorithms for digital signal processing. Okay, one more time, arithmetic and logic operations. Arithmetic instructions are add, subtraction, multiplication and multiply accumulator.
multiply accumulator. See, add, it is having three types. You have to add the contents of both the registers and stores the result again in register. And second way is you can also use an immediate operand added with the content stored in the register R3 and store the result in R0. And third one is you can also use shift or rotate operations before going to add. See, this instruction add R0, R1, R5, LSL, suppose left shift, logical shift left, logical shift left, or logical shift right. So we can use any type of shift operations or rotation operations and add. See here, the R5 content, the content which is placed in the R5 register R5 is left shift by 4 positions, and after completion of left shift by 4 positions, the content is added with the content stored in the register R1 and the result is stored in R0. Okay, next subtraction, multiplication. Okay, multiplication having two types. One is directly added multiply, and MLA means multiply accumulator. Okay, thank you.